In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove Google account from all devices. To begin, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you are signed in to the Google account you want to remove from other devices. You should land on your inbox. From here, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. In the menu that appears, select Manage your Google account. This takes you to your Google account settings, where you can control sign-in, security, and the devices that have access to your account. Next, navigate to the Security and Sign-in area. This is the section that shows where your account is signed in and which devices have recently used it. Once you are on the Security page, scroll until you find the option labeled Manage All Devices, and click it. You will now see a list of devices where your Google account is currently signed in or was recently active. Choose the device you want to remove. Click on the device entry to open its details. This page usually shows information like the device type and when it last accessed your account. When you are ready, click Sign Out. Signing out here removes your Google account session from that specific device, which is useful if you lost a device, sold an old phone, or signed in on a shared computer. At this point, Google may ask you to verify that it is really you before it completes the sign out. If a password prompt appears, type your account password to confirm and proceed. This extra verification is normal and helps protect your account from unauthorized changes. After you sign out of that device, go back to the devices list. Select the next device you want to remove, open its details, and use Sign Out again. Repeat this process for each device listed that you no longer want connected to your Google account. Take your time and make sure you are only signing out of devices you recognize and want to remove. Once you have signed out of all the devices you needed, you can close the Google account tab. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.